I love your outfit.
Thank you. Good morning.
You're 8 now. You gotta start carrying your own stuff.
Why do you recommend backpacks? You want your backpacks?
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now. Oh, science is great, there's so much to know. Climb aboard, explorers, it's time to go.
What if Nemo's swimming out the sea?
Oh, don't worry, just keep your eyes open for him all the way. Oh, let's go explore, explore, explore. Let's go explore the big world.
I am looking for my son.
I can help. Oh, no.
It's Nemo.
Where?
I don't know where. That's why we're trying to find him.
I do know.
Nemo, where are you?
Who's Nemo?
Stop moving.
I want you to go.
Jellyfish.
Right, now let's move this now.
See them.
See you.
That's jellyfish. Jellyfish. Jellyfish.
Mr. Smarty Pants.
Stop playing games.
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish.
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of balloon.
That's jellyfish.
Good. Oh. That'll be in here.
Do something.
Hey, can't catch me.
Swim away.
Like I'm scared now.
I wonder if clownfish taste funny. Nemo, why did you come by for an advice? So, what are you
It's the AC! But I've never been in the AC
Totally, but everybody's looking for you. Aw.
Oh, there you are, Nemo.
Yay! Nemo!
Come aboard, explorers.
I'm boring.
Waiting out there.
seats while the Crush Man sees what he can do to get you moving again. In the big old blue. Blue.
In the big blue world, things I've never seen before.
Totally, dude.
So many creatures swimming round the sea. In the big blue world, all of them are out there for me. That's what I'm in the big blue world, we're here with all our friends. In the big blue world.
Listen up, explorers. Good news. Stay in your seats because we're about to get started again. Keep your eye out for Nemo along the way. Oh, let's go.
Big blue world.
It's
Ready to go. In the big blue world. I'm gonna go explore. In the big blue world.
Potatoes, browns? Oh, what I'd give to see a good root canal. Right, take me with you. I mean, it's a nice song, but just stop.
All right, explorers, relax this bit. Time to go over some front. Stay together as a group. Oh, let's talk guys in the big city, filled with wonder and new discoveries. See you next time.